Contracts and agreements for small businesses. This really is business law 101, and it's something that's important for you to think about. And today, I'm going to shine some light on it. I'm Shawn McBride. I'm a practicing lawyer. I work with business owners to help them grow their businesses and protect themselves and get those agreements memorialized so that they can move forward in business. Contracts are always a very important bedrock of business. You have to have contracts and agreements to really know where you are and to protect your legal rights. Often these have to be written contracts. It's very possible to have oral contracts, but that's generally not recommended because just having an oral agreement among people can lead to a lot of misunderstanding, and it's really litigation bait. It's welcoming litigation in your life. More importantly, or more suggested, what you want to do is have written contracts. How do those written contracts come into being? Well, there are a lot of forms out there. And if you Google business contracts, supply contract, whatever, you'll see lots of contracts. You can find them all over the place, including some forms or some websites where you can fill out forms. All great stuff. But in general, what you need to do is tailor it to your situation. And what we typically do as lawyers is we know similar situations. A lot of us business lawyers have worked on many contracts in the past, so we're going to go pull some past contract, but then we're going to tailor it to you. And much like a tailor that takes a piece of clothing which may not look great but fits it to you and makes it look wonderful, that's hopefully what's happening with your lawyer. They're fitting the contract to your situation. What are you thinking about? Well, the basics of contracts is reciprocal promises. You're going to promise something, your counterparty is going to promise something. You're exchanging promises. In fact, to have an enforceable contract, you need to have what they call consideration, or something of value going both directions. One person's giving something to one person, the other person's giving something of value the other direction. Now, these are equal and opposite promises, and not necessarily equal in value, but going both directions in that they're both giving something to the other, a benefit. This means that we have the bedrock of a contract. What do we do when we write a contract is we're memorializing what's happening. And it's really as simple as A, we're giving this, B, we're getting this, but then you have to work out all the details. And then a lot of time in contracts goes into what goes wrong. And that's where good lawyering come into play. A good lawyer can sit down and talk about what's likely to go wrong, help you understand those risks, and as one of my clients says, help you decide what risks you want to take and what risks you don't want to take. Ultimately, that's a business decision that lays on the business owner, business leader of what should we do, what shouldn't we do. But a good lawyer is going to help you understand your risks before you jump in it. That's the basic of contracts. If you have questions, comments, or suggestions for future videos, we always welcome them. Go ahead and drop below. Sometimes we do videos based on suggestions. But don't put anything confidential. Other people will be able to see your comments. Don't want people seeing your business information. So don't put anything there you don't want other people seeing. Hope you subscribe to the channel. We've got a whole library of shorts and past videos. Go check them out. And I'll see you for another video soon.